Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to share temu full wishlist with someone. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the temu app on the Android device. So when you have to open, you have to open the product, which products you will have buy or your favorite. So I will just randomly open this shoe. So you have to scroll down, more, and there is a save button. You will have to just click to one save button. So saved to wish list. So this is how to save the product on your wish list on temu. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.